This is Hansshow electronic sunshade that is customized to fit your Tesla Cybertruck or Cyberbeast. It automatically closes with a touch of a button and automatically opens with a touch of a button. The buttons are located conveniently where all passengers have access to. Material is vegan, inspired by Alcantara, and also it matches your headliner. The head space does not lose any more than half an inch. To install this, fairly easy, takes less than 30 minutes. You do need to remove your frunk tray to gain access to this power connection. So this is Tesla power connection. You just need to connect the module with the red and the black wire. You have full control of this power from your display screen by turning on your power plug for the front. And you just plug in the two wires, line them up, make sure you highway the wire, zip tie it down, and the module is tightened with some tape. So you can use electrical tape, any tape works just fine. But to fish the actual wire back through, you want to use, again, a fish rod with some tape and fish it back to the actual electronic sunshade. And then to mount it, you basically just insert the actual sunshade from the rear. Once you have that lined up, if you have somebody help you, have them hold the front end where you will mount these bracket, and using this torque screw and screwdriver, go ahead and tighten up these 4 points. So this will help hold up the sunshade on the side after you mount the actual metal bracket from the rear. So there are actual plugs that you need to plug
wire into the corresponding connector on the trim panel.
So after you install the actual sunshade,
press the two side trim panels into place.
Plug for the switches to work, and then the headliner cover goes on after, and that is it. It shouldn't take longer than 30 minutes. Description below with the link on where to purchase.